Hello there, welcome to our channel Study Island. I hope you all are doing good. So now we are going to solve the question number 9 from exercise 2.2. Let's read the question first. Lipika reads a book for 3/4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? So we need to find out the required hours. Okay, so let's solve the question. We'll start. Lipika reads a book in a day for how many hours? For 3/4 hours. Okay, so now as you can see, this is a mixed fraction, so we'll convert it first in a normal fraction. So let's convert it. 1 multiplied by 4 plus 3/4, which will give you 4. 1 multiplied by 4 plus 3 7/4 hours. Okay, now we need to find, so therefore in 6 days she reads for how many hours we need to find. So what we will do, we will multiply 6 by 7/4. 6 will be multiplied by 7/4. Okay, so as you know, when we are multiplying two fractions and when there is a whole number, you can put 1 as a denominator to convert it in a fractions. So when we have to multiply fractions, numerators are multiplied and denominators are multiplied also. Okay, so 6 sevens are 42, and here 1 multiplied by 4 will give you 4. Now you can see here it's a 2, here it's a 4, means according to divisibility rule, they both will be divisible by 2. So let's divide it. 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2. So you will get 21/2. But as you know, in our question there was a mixed fraction, so again we need to also convert it 21/2 in a mixed fraction. So for that we will divide 21 by 2 like this. 0 time it will go, so it will give you remainder as a 1. So we will write it, 2 will go down, which is the denominator, the remainder which will come as a numerator, and the quotient that you got 10 will come as a whole number. Okay, so this much hours she will require to read the book. Thank you everyone. Let's solve question number 10 from exercise 2.2. So first let's read the question. Find the area of rectangular park which is 41/2/3 meter long and 18/3/5 meter broad. So as you can see, both the measurements are a mixed fraction. So we will convert it in a normal fraction. Then we will use the formula of area of a rectangle, which is length into breadth. So let's solve it. So length of park is equal to 41/2/3 meter. Okay, and so we will convert it in a normal fraction. 41 multiplied by 3 plus 2/3, which will give you 41. When you will multiply 41/3, it will give you 123 plus 2/3. Finally you will get 125/3 meter. Okay, don't forget to write the units all the time. Now let's write breadth of park is equal to 18/3/5 meter. So let's convert it also in a normal fraction. 18 multiplied by 5 plus 3/5. 18 5s are 90 plus 3/5, which will give you 93/5 meter. Okay, now area of park will be area of park equals to length into breadth. Okay, so length is 125/3, breadth is 93/5. Now as you can see, here is a 5, here is a 5, so both will be divisible by 5, so we will simplify it and divide it by 5. 5 ones are 5, and here it will come 25 5s are 125. So 3 and 93 will also be divisible by 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 3s are 9, and 3 ones are 3. So you will get 25 multiplied by 31. When you will multiply, you will get 775 meter square. As this is area, so it will be meter square. So your answer will be, the area of park is 775 square meter, okay, or meter square. Thank you everyone. Kindly like, subscribe, share and comment.